So there's 5 types of traffic networks, right? And traffic is just an audience or eyeballs that go to your site, and your audience is your potential clients, right? In the future. So what you want is traffic going to your website. So the last type of traffic network, traffic source that's paid is pay-per-click networks. Let's check this out. So this is another list that you can check out. Add push-up, Infolix, Google AdSense, Bidvertiser, Rev Content, Clickadilla, Vibrant Media, Clickado, AdBlade, AdCash, ClickBooth, Solvo. Weird that Amazon's not on this list. Probably because they're more in-house. In-house meaning that people that are selling on Amazon, they would do PPC, pay-per-click, within Amazon. Since they're selling their product on Amazon, they would advertise on Amazon so that their product can show up on the top of the list. These are going to be showing on top of Google or top of search engines. And pay-per-click is exactly what it sounds. You're pretty much, for pay-per-click networks, you put your ad onto Google AdWords, Bing, Facebook, YouTube, and for each person's click, you'll be charged depending on the price that your keywords are set. So let's check out Google AdSense. So let's check out Infolix. You see, you could either do video ads or display native ads. And instead of paying for your banner, your display, or video to show up on sites, on search engines, your ad is going to show up, and whoever clicks on it, that's when you get charged. That's the differences. They offer mobile ads, mobile only ads. That means they only show ads on mobile devices like your phones or iPads or whatever. Supports all iOS and Android devices, including tablets and iPad. You see right here. Now, in content ads, are ads that are related to whatever the person's already reading, and your ad will show up within the article that they're reading. Now here, this is one of the display ads that are on the side. They also do that too. So that's what PPC ads are, pay-per-click ads are. Now let's move on to more long-term traffic sources, which is free traffic sources. All right, so be sure to check out the next episode where I continue talking about traffic. And if you want to learn how to start your own affiliate marketing business, click on the link down below in the description, and you will get to learn what affiliate marketing is and how it can benefit you in the long run, in the future. Because ultimately, you're going to create your own passive income when you follow these methods. Make sure you watch the next episode. So with that, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.